teaching definitely affected my research. In fact, I'd say the first class I taught was a disaster. And the second class, they put me on a topic that I was not an expert in, but the course was sort of baked. It was already made. So I learned a lot by having to learn that material. It was a computer architecture class. And about the same time, I was working on type systems for high-level languages. And you started to ask questions about, well, hey, couldn't we apply these ideas for high-level languages down to machine architecture? So that had a direct impact. What I was teaching, what I was trying to understand, and how I might relate it to students had a direct impact on the kind of research that I wanted to pursue. The other thing is you don't really understand something at all well until you can explain it to somebody else. If you can't do it simply so that somebody from outside the field can jump in and understand the material, you don't understand it. You don't understand it at all. And it's not just teaching, but writing is the same way. That if you can't communicate your ideas, then you don't really understand them. And often when you're teaching or writing is when you have the most important discoveries, the most important simplifications, or the most important breakthroughs in really understanding the material as opposed to just cranking through it, or hacking, so to speak.